Hello dear viewers, you are on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I'll tell you how to clean kitchen cabinets from fingerprints, greasy splashes, spills and other contaminants. We will make a dry kitchen cleaning product which will quickly and easily cope with all the dirt. It will not leave streaks and will not scratch the surface. This is what my kitchen looks like. Everyone in the family uses it, so there are a lot of fingerprints and sticky deposits on the lockers. Here the kitchen cabinets are splattered with something, I don't even know what. Now I'll show you how to properly clean the laminate kitchen so that it doesn't leave stains and scratches. First, let's make a kitchen cleaner. Pour some plain white vinegar into a spray bottle. Then add the same amount of water here. And here you need to add a drop of dishwashing detergent. We twist the bottle with a spray and mix all the ingredients well. Here is such a simple and very effective cleaning agent we've got. Spray dirty cabinets with cleaning agent. And wipe them down with a cloth. I use a microfiber cloth, it removes various dirt very well. No hard scratching sponges and scouring powders can be used. Next, wipe the kitchen cabinets with a damp cloth. So that the cabinets after cleaning are beautiful and without streaks, at the end I wipe them with a cloth designed for washing glasses and mirrors. To avoid missing anything, start for example in the upper left corner and gradually move towards the lower right corner. Another very important point: first clean the upper cabinets, then the lower ones. If you have a lot of grease and splatter on your kitchen cabinets, then spray the surface with a cleaning solution and let it sit for a while, up to about 10 minutes, and then start cleaning. Please note that vinegar is an acid. Therefore, before you start cleaning kitchen cabinets, spray the cleaning solution on an inconspicuous area, leave it for a while, and make sure that such cleaning doesn't damage the surface. The last thing I'll clean is the bottom cabinet. It is located near the stove, so there are a lot of different splashes on it. As you can see, everything is cleaned quite simply. Well friends, only 5 minutes and I have such clean kitchen cabinets. There is no more greasy coating and fingerprints on them anymore. As you can see, the kitchen fronts are not scratched and look just perfect. I hope this advice was helpful to you. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, I have many interesting videos. Thank you all for watching, bye!